Hey guys, okay, so this is a long-awaited video that I've been meaning to do because Bondi Boost sent me this beach waiver, and I did this hair on Women Tell All a couple weeks ago, and some of you guys were asking how I did it and what I did it with. So I'm gonna show you guys. This video is in collaboration with them. I'm gonna go ahead and link their the waiver that I used that they sent me. I also used their heat protectant spray to prep and prime my hair. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. This is my first IGTV video, so hopefully you learned something.
You just come running back. Come running back.
Okay, so I just finished using the waver and I'm pretty sure I got all the pieces. So next I'm gonna go in with my straightener. You can leave it like this, but for the women tell all, I put a straightener through it to just kind of like mesh everything together and calm the waves down a little bit. Okay, so after I straighten all the pieces, I'm going to use a little bit of texture spray. I like this one, it's from Oribe, it's their dry texturizing spray. So I'll just kind of like go through it, however. And then for the ends, I like to use this Brilliantine by Bumble and Bumble. And I'll just do a little bit in my hand and warm it up and just kind of go through like the middle and the ends.